Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best safe locks is probably one of the most important security features you have, and choosing the right replacement can be confusing with so many options available. This video will cut through the jargon and help you find the perfect replacement safe lock for your needs, whether you're dealing with a broken lock, a lost combination, or simply want to upgrade your security. Number 5. Digital Keypad Safe Lock. Enhance your home security with this superior digital keypad safe lock. It's built to withstand forced entry and offers peace of mind. This lock is made from durable, fire-resistant zinc alloy. It's designed for long-lasting protection and reliability. Program your own 3 to 8-digit code for easy access. The color-coded lights make operation simple and intuitive. With a 95mm diameter faceplate, it's a standard size for many safes. Check the dimensions to ensure compatibility before purchasing. It's perfect for home safes, gun safes, hotel safes, and more. It offers versatile security solutions for various needs. While easy to use, professional installation is recommended. Contact us for support if you encounter any issues during installation. What we like. This lock is made of high-grade zinc alloy, ensuring durability and fire resistance. It's also easy to program and use, with clear visual indicators. If you need a reliable and user-friendly replacement for your safe, this is an excellent choice, especially if you value ease of use in a standard size. What people say. This was a perfect replacement for my 21-gun stack-on safe. The instructions were lacking, but I feel this is pretty much a no-brainer if you are fixing it yourself anyhow. Works perfect for daily use. I like that it came with all the needed components to renew the entire locking mechanism. This lock assay was purchased to replace a failed keypad and motherboard on a 17-month-old Canon gun safe with Type B lock. It all bolted directly in place of the failed components and combination reset was a breeze. Half the keys on the number pad of my Sentinel safe I got from Walmart suddenly stopped working. This is a direct replacement of the keypad and fit perfectly. Since I only replaced the keypad, I did not have to reprogram the combination since the existing motherboard was fine. The new pad fits right onto the existing mounting plate as well. The installation was very easy, hardest part was lining up the screws for the door padding panel after the keypad swap. Number 4. Chrome Keypad Safe Lock. It's a complete set, including a panel, solenoid, 2 override keys, and a circuit board. This electromagnetic lock provides enhanced security for your valuables. It boasts superior durability and fire resistance. Plus, 3 dummy codes and lockout mode add extra protection against unauthorized access. Setting up your personalized 3 to 8-digit code is simple. Unlock it with the pound key and change your code anytime for ultimate convenience. It's perfect for various safes, from home safes and gun safes to hotel safes and more. It offers versatile security solutions for your needs. If you're not a professional, we recommend seeking expert help for installation. We offer one-on-one support if you encounter any issues. What we like. This option provides everything you need for a complete replacement, including the solenoid, keys, and circuit board. The high-quality materials ensure lasting performance and enhanced security. If you prefer a comprehensive solution that's simple to install and use, this is the one for you. What people say. It wears a replacement and actually an upgrade for one of my safes. Works like a charm. The chrome keypad adds a touch of elegance to my safe, making it look sleek and modern. The buttons are perfectly responsive, ensuring that I can quickly and effortlessly enter my passcode without any hassle. The solenoid lock is incredibly secure and reliable. The inclusion of 2 override keys provides an extra layer of convenience and accessibility. The circuit board lock is another fantastic feature of this product. It enhances the overall security of the safe by preventing any tampering or unauthorized access. Number 3. Fireproof Gun Safe Lock. Enhance the security of your safe with this superior replacement lock. It's easy to install and offers advanced features for peace of mind. This lock is built with premium zinc alloy, ensuring it's fire-resistant, durable, and protects against forced entry. It's designed to last. Program your own 3 to 8-digit code for easy access. The color-coded lights provide clear feedback on its status. It's perfect for various safes, from home gun safes to hotel safes and more. It's a versatile upgrade for many security needs. While it's designed for easy installation, professional help is recommended if you're unsure. We offer one-on-one support if you need assistance. Remember, this is a complete replacement kit. Remove all old parts before installing this new lock for optimal performance. What we like. This lock boasts premium materials for superior fire and forced entry resistance. The intuitive design makes programming and operation a breeze, and multiple user codes add extra convenience and security. If you prioritize security and want a lock that's both easy to use and highly secure, this is a great option. What people say. Lock and components all work good. Easy install and works great. Replaced a busted American security keypad. It fit and worked. Changing the code was simple. Number 2. Admiral Lock's Tubular Cam Lock. Introducing the Admiral Lock's Tubular Cam Lock, perfect for securing compartments and cabinets. It's easy to install and comes with 2 keys for added convenience. This versatile lock fits materials up to 3/8 inch thick. Check the measurements to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Order multiple locks, and they'll all be keyed alike, one key unlocks them all. This saves you time and hassle. It's built with a sturdy zinc alloy and chrome-plated for lasting durability and a sleek look. You'll get years of reliable service. The key is removable whether it's locked or unlocked, making it incredibly user-friendly. Enjoy effortless operation every time. Installation is a breeze. Replacing an existing lock takes less than 5 minutes. For new installations, simply drill a hole and insert it. Upgrade your storage security with these reliable locks. They're built to exceed your expectations and protect your belongings. With a standard size and 5/8 inch cylinder length, it's ideal for various applications. It's a perfect replacement for your old locks. What we like. It's incredibly easy to install, you can replace your old lock in minutes. The non-key retaining design is convenient, and the key-to-like feature is perfect for multiple locks. If you value quick installation and convenience, and need multiple locks with the same key, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Perfect replacement for my 72-inch US General toolbox which had, 1 lock go bad after 1 year. These fit perfectly and work well. The locks are well made, are easy to install, and look great. The quality is A+. Used to replace the defective key locks for the rifle cabinet and fits perfectly without modification. Comes in a package of 2 which is half the price of one of the original. Number 1. Armstrong Stack-On Replacement Lock. This replacement lock ensures the security of your stack-on cabinet. It's a simple and effective way to upgrade your storage's protection. It comes with all the mounting hardware you need for a quick and easy installation. Get your cabinet secured in minutes. 2 keys are included for your convenience. Keep one for yourself and give another to someone you trust. It features a sleek and durable bright brass finish. This adds a touch of elegance while providing reliable security. It's a direct replacement for key locks in current production stack-on cabinets. It's the perfect solution for replacing a lost or broken lock. Remember, it does not work in cabinets that use round keys. Please check your cabinet's key type before ordering. What we like. This lock comes with everything you need for a seamless replacement, including keys and mounting hardware. It's a direct replacement for existing stack-on cabinets, ensuring a perfect fit. If you have a stack-on cabinet and need a simple, direct replacement, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Fit was perfect, worked as should. Installing this was easier than trying to get someone to make a spare key for me. It installed quickly and perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.